Welcome to the future of work, where artificial intelligence is transforming the way we make money. Are you curious about how AI will impact the job market and what new opportunities it will create? In this video, we'll explore the exciting ways in which AI is changing the world of work and the ways you can take advantage of these new opportunities to make money in the age of AI. The rise of AI has caused some to worry about robots taking over our jobs, but the truth is that AI is opening up new possibilities for us to make money and create value. According to a report by PwC, AI will create around 2.7 million new jobs by 2025, and it will help improve the productivity and efficiency of existing jobs. So, if you're looking to make money in the future, AI is definitely a field you should be paying attention to. Now, let's look at some of the ways you can make money with AI in the future. AI development. AI is becoming increasingly important in industries such as healthcare, finance, and logistics. If you have programming skills, you can make money by developing AI solutions for these industries. AI consulting. If you're an expert in AI, you can make money by providing consulting services to businesses that want to incorporate AI into their operations. AI training. As AI becomes more prevalent, there will be a growing need for people to understand and use it. If you have expertise in AI, you can make money by teaching others how to use it. AI data analysis. AI requires a lot of data to function effectively. If you have skills in data analysis, you can make money by analyzing data to improve AI algorithms. AI business. As AI continues to develop, there will be new business models that emerge that are based on AI. If you're an entrepreneur, you can make money by creating an AI-based business that provides a new service or product. As you can see, there are many ways to make money in the age of AI. Whether you're a programmer, consultant, teacher, data analyst, or entrepreneur, there are opportunities for you to take advantage of this exciting field. So, start learning about AI today and see where it takes you in the future of work.